Let's look at our problem. We need to find 9009 times 999. Those are big numbers, but don't worry, I know a super cool trick that makes this really easy. Here is the trick. Look at 999 closely. It is just 1000 take away 1. And times by 1000 is super easy, we just add 3 zeros. So let's use this idea. Now we swap 999 with 1000 take away 1. This means we do 9009 times 1000, and then take away 9009 times 1. 2 easy steps. We give 9009 to both numbers inside the bracket. So we get 9009 times 1000, take away 9009 times 1. First, let's do 9009 times 1000. This is easy, we just put 3 zeros at the end. That gives us 9,009,000. 9,009,000. Now let's do 9009 times 1. Any number times 1 is just that same number. So we get 9009. Now we take the big number 9,009,000 and take away 9009. Let's set this up carefully and work it out. Let's line up the numbers and take away. Starting from the right, 0 take away 9, we can't do that, so we borrow. After all the borrowing, we get 8,999,991. So 9,009,000 take away 9,009 gives us 8,999,991. That's our answer. We did it. 9009 times 999 is 8,999,991. See how the trick made this so much easier? Instead of doing big scary long multiplication, we just did times 1000, times 1, and 1 take away. You are a math star.